Hey guys, RTT back here for the video. Guys, today I'm showing you an amazing call holder for the Google Pixel Fold. So again, the sun is kind of like destroying me right now. Let me see if I can get a little bit, that's not gonna work. I was gonna try to turn down the brightness, but I don't think that's gonna work. But yes, again, like always, a little wobbly. This is an old car holder for tablets and foldable cell phones. It also works for any phone pretty much. I will have a link down below in the description. It's an Amazon link, so I get a kickback if you use it and buy this item. But to be honest, it is so freaking perfect. Again, like I said, I've shown it off of my Z Fold devices, my Surface Duo devices, and I cannot recommend this enough. I mean, this thing is perfect. Like, look at that. And again, you should have full access to all your ports, all your stuff. You have all your power buttons on the side. You can also put this vertically. I like it horizontally, especially with how the Google Pixel Fold is actually set up. But you could do it the other way. You could do this again horizontally if you really wanted to. I just personally like it this orientation. I think it looks the best this orientation. But if you wanted to, again, go ahead and let's just open up YouTube. So open up YouTube here. Let's see what we got here on YouTube. And again, you have full access to this. Go through all your apps. Again, like always, you can dual screen applications. If you want to have them on both, applications on one screen, application on the other screen, you can pretty much, again, like I said, do everything you normally could do, but now it's actually mounted to your car, which is freaking amazing. Not many of these mounts actually are that good, in all honesty. I've tried out probably 20, 30, 40 of them. And this is not only just for affordable phones, also for iPads and stuff like that. And yeah, I have like 5 different iPads and they are not the greatest. But again, like I said, let's go to Apple Music. So if you're driving, you want to have your music on, you're trying to make sure your hands free, as safe as possible, always, guys. Bam, look at that. And I'll be honest with you, low key here, this looks so much better than the Z Fold 5. I don't know. Maybe I'm just being biased because I love this phone, the Z Fold device. The Google Pixel device. But I don't know. I mean, I guess it's because of the curve being horizontally, vertically and not horizontally. When it's horizontally like this, I feel like it doesn't look as good. Again, just my personal opinion though. But again, you can see the black lines across to the camera. But yeah, so absolutely amazing. Again, this actually does go ahead and connects to your vent, but you can also get one that connects to your windshield and that one that connects to, like, right here, your dash, which I'll tell you right now, the windshield's not bad, but if you are driving around with this, the windshield one, you might get pulled over by a cop. Just because of the size of this and it being connected to your windshield, they might pull you over and say, hey, listen, that's distracting your view as a driver and you could risk injury. So I recommend probably going with your vents. If you have sideway vents, go windshield. But if you don't have sideway vents like myself here, just go ahead and go with these because this one is always secure. I've never had a problem with it. Again, you see it does wiggle a little bit, but this holder I have here, I've had this thing for 2.5 years. That's why I recommend it and why I put in all my video descriptions, because again, I've had this for 2.5 years and this thing does not break. There's nothing wrong with it. It's still a fully as functionable as it was day one of me picking it up. Like, that's how amazing this holder actually is. And again, it works with all my phones, whether I use this phone, Z Fold 5, or whatever. It is perfect and I never have any issues. So guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.